Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Car Expert, your trusted source for the latest car reviews and updates. Today, we are talking about a car that marks a bold new chapter for Ferrari, the Ferrari Purosangue. As Ferrari's first SUV, the Purosangue combines supercar performance with SUV practicality, making it a game-changer for the luxury segment. Let's explore what makes the Ferrari Purosangue a masterpiece for Indian buyers. Body. Exterior design. The Ferrari Purosangue is a stunning blend of Ferrari's signature design language with the practicality of an SUV. The front fascia features a sleek and aggressive design, with sharp LED headlamps integrated into the aerodynamic body lines. The long bonnet, muscular wheel arches, and sloping roofline reflect Ferrari's sports car DNA while giving the car an SUV-like presence. Large 22-inch front and 23-inch rear alloy wheels, along with sculpted side skirts, emphasize its sporty character. At the rear, the Purosangue boasts quad exhaust pipes, slim LED tail lamps, and an integrated spoiler for a dynamic and bold look. With its aerodynamic elegance and SUV proportions, the Purosangue is a true Ferrari at heart. Safety and build quality. The Purosangue comes equipped with state-of-the-art safety features, making it a secure luxury SUV for families. Standard safety features include 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, and electronic stability control, escape. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera provide added safety and convenience. Ferrari's high-strength aluminum body ensures robust build quality while keeping the weight optimized for performance. With its advanced safety tech, the Purosangue inspires confidence on every journey. Price and availability. The Ferrari Purosangue is expected to be a premium offering in the Indian luxury SUV market. The base model is priced at approximately 4.5 Indian rupees crore, ex-showroom, making it a statement of exclusivity. With optional personalization through Ferrari's tailor-made program, buyers can customize the Purosangue to reflect their unique style. With its ultra-premium pricing, the Purosangue is a luxury SUV like no other. Outro. So, what do you think of the Ferrari Purosangue? With its breathtaking design, supercar performance, luxurious interiors, and practical SUV capabilities, it's a car that truly redefines the concept of a luxury SUV. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open road, the Purosangue delivers the thrill and elegance of a true Ferrari. Let us know in the comments if the Ferrari Purosangue is your dream car. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.